lesson's going to be a little short because it's very similar to what we did with bar graphs. There'll also be a video explanation of how to create your own graph. Your job, should you're willing to do it, is to actually create your own graphs using a circle graph. Okay, so circle graphs are useful for displaying data. Remember, they're not as accurate as they're not accurate either, but they kind of give you a general sense of what the information kind of holds for us, right? It'll tell you how much in relation to other stuff you've got, you spend, things like that. Now, let's consider this example here. All right, Cindy decides to go trick-or-treating for Halloween and comes home with a huge bag of candy. She sits there and she dumps it out and she begins to sort it into categories, right? Now, the following table that we have shows how she sorted all of her candy. She had hard candies, 23, chips, 41, chocolate, 87, licorice, 12, and other kinds of candy, 18. Now, let's go and see if we can answer a question here. Now, we could draw a rough sketch of what this circle might look like. So if you look at the circle, we've got something that kind of looks like this, okay? Where we have all of the individual numbers of candies represented for each slice. And we have our legend. We definitely have our legend found to the right. We have our title. The only thing that we're missing is the percents, right? Now, imagine we need to make our own circle graphs using a spreadsheet program, right? You are going to watch the video on how to create graphs, bar graphs, and circle graphs in order to do that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to construct your own problem, your own solution to this problem. So imagine I've got this kid Rylan, right? And what it's going to do is he's got a pencil case that's too cluttered. She's got a pencil case that's too cluttered. She dumps out the contents and begins sorting. Now, this is what she gets for her table, right? So we need to construct a pie chart for the contents of her pencil case. Now, here's what we're going to do. When we go and watch our video, you're going to use it to practice what you see on the video, do what is on the video, and then try doing the last question at the end. Now, when we go and construct our table and then our chart on our on our spreadsheet, this will allow us to create our own beautifully designed circle graph, okay? Now, that stuff is located online, and I want you to practice that, and then I want you to try this problem right here, okay? And that's it, okay? It's not difficult. When you take a look at it, you'll be amazed at how easy this is. All right? Take care. Bye, guys.